Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change address on Meesho. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Meesho application, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing that you'd like to know is where exactly can you download the Meesho application from? You can get Meesho from Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Meesho and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing the application, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Meesho. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to change address on Meesho. Now, I'd like you to know that you can change your delivery address during checkout. And for you to place an order, it means you need to sign in. I'm unable to sign in because I have restrictions, but I'm going to show you the step-by-step processes involved in signing in, and of course, how to change your address ultimately. So let's say I want to order this product for women. Just gonna click that, and product page is loading up. Have this thing called West Jewelry. So let's say I want to order a jewelry, and just click on that jewelry, and you have the princess glittering jewelry sets. So I'm just gonna click on that, and it takes me here. So I'm just gonna click on this buy now button, and I'm gonna choose my size. It's free size, so I click on buy now. Now I cannot proceed with this because I need to sign in. But once you click on buy now, it's going to take you right into the checkout page. Now in the next page, that's after clicking on buy now, in the following page, you're going to see something that says, you're going to see an option that says delivery address, and just right next to it, you're going to see change. So go ahead and click on change, and once you click on change, now you'll be provided with a form for you to fill out or to enter your new delivery address. Once you enter the new delivery address, go ahead and fill it out and click on save. And after changing it, go ahead and click on save, or after editing it, go ahead and click on save, and the new address is going to be entered, and that's the new address that is going to, the product is going to be delivered to. So this is pretty much how you can change your address on Meesho. Now you can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.